Good day, everyone. My name is Regina, and in our previous class, we discussed about the laws of indices. Now, today we're going to learn how to apply those laws in solving problems on indices, as you can see on the board. Let's get out. So, here we have multiplication, and there's a law that talk about the multiplication when you have multiplication between two terms. So, the law says that when you have x raised to power a multiplied by x raised to power b, the result will be x raised to power a plus b. This law here can be applicable to here, but whenever you want to apply this law, make sure that the bases are the same. So to convert 8 here to the same base, you can write it as 2 raised to power 3, because 2 times 2 times 2 will give you 8. So this 2 raised to power 3 will multiply the odd power multiplied by 2. Then that is 2 raised to power 3 times 2. Let's create a rule that says that whenever you want to convert a base to another base, the new power will multiply the old power. Now let's apply that rule. 8 can be written as 2 raised to power 3 multiplied by the old power times 2. The same thing applicable to here. 4 can be written as 2 raised to power 2 multiplied by the old power, that is n plus 1. Here is 2 raised to power 2n multiplied by 16 can be written as 2 raised to power 4, because 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 will give you 16, which is equals to 2 raised to power 3 times 2 will give you 6 multiplied by 2 raised to power, open your bracket, 2 times n will give you 2n plus 2 times 1 will give you 2 all over 2 raised to power 2n times 2 raised to power 4. Now we can apply the laws of indices, that is the multiplication law, which is equals to, say whenever you have times between two terms, you will write the base and add that power, then which is 2 raised to power 6 plus brackets. Yeah, the reason why I put it in brackets because there are two terms. Anytime you are writing power and the number is 2, always put it in brackets. It is 2n plus 2 all over. The same thing applicable to here, 2 raised to power 2n plus 4. The reason I did not put this one in bracket is because it's only one term. Please remember to close your brackets. So you open brackets here. Remember, you are not using 6 to open brackets. Instead, there's invisible 1 here and you are using plus 1 to open the bracket, which is 2 raised to power 6. Then plus 1 times 2n will give you plus 2n. Then plus 1 times plus 2 will give you plus 2 all over 2 raised to power 2n plus 4. Now we are done with the multiplication law. Now there's a law that talk about division law. Whenever you have x raised to power a dividing x raised to power b is equals to x raised to power a minus b. Is x raised to power a all over x raised to power b is equals to x raised to power a minus b, because this all over here is also division. Now we can apply this division rule here, that is adding the powers, which is equals to, first of all, you will collect like terms here. 2 raised to power 6 plus 2, then plus your 2n, all over 2 raised to power 2n plus 4. Then equals to 2 raised to power 6 plus 2 will give you 8 plus your 2n, all over 2 raised to power 2n plus 4. 2 raised to power 2n plus 4. Now you can apply the division law that says that you write the base, then subtract the power. Remember that two terms, so put them in brackets. 8 bracket 8 plus 2n minus 2 bracket 2n plus 4, which is equals to, you open bracket, here there's invisible one, here is opening this bracket, while here there's minus 1. Minus 1 is opening this bracket, that is 2 raised to power 1 times 8 will give you 8, then plus 1 times 2n will give you 2n, then minus 1 times 2n will give you minus 2n, then minus 1 times plus 4 will give you minus 4. Then collect like terms, that is 8 minus 4 will give you plus 2n minus 2n, which is equals to 2 raised to power 8 minus 4 will give you 4, then plus 2n minus 2n is 0, because whenever you have a number that is carrying plus or minus, subtract the bigger number from the smaller number and put the sign of the bigger number. So plus 2n minus 2n is 0, which is that cancelled. Then 2 raised to power 4 means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 2 times 2 4, 4 times 2 8, 8 times 2 16. Then here, remember there's a law that says that x raised to power a all over b is equals to b root of x raised to power a. The reason why it's b root is because b is here. If it's cube root of x, is because 3 is here. And remember, if you are giving something like this, there's invisible to here. Now there's invisible to here, that is the square root of 16. And the square root of 16 means that which number will multiply itself 2 times to give you 16, and that number is 4 times. So this gives you the solution to the problem. See you in my next class. Bye.